performing. We can. So we prepared a stage for you guys, but before we do our stage, we want to leave a memory with our kissy. So could we take a group photo together? Let's take a photo together. What should we do? Heart? Heart. Okay. Everyone, heart. Heart.
You can see the camera can see. That's what I always tell my students.
Center.
If you can see the camera can see you.
1, 2, 3. Thank you. This side too. This side too. Side too.
Oh my God, this side. This side.
This side.
This side. Are you Oh.
1, 2, 3.
This side.
Okay, are you ready? Are you guys ready for that?
Let's go.
to come back. The dude wants to hear.
Yes!
Oh my god. Thank you so much for your energy. We can't just do one song.
Yes!
When you know our song, Nothing. Our song. Okay. Then let's go. Definitely come next time. Thank you to all of our kissies that came out to see us today. We're so grateful and happy to see you guys all. Although we are far away at times, we always feel all of your love and support. So don't worry. Thank you so much. We hope to get to see you guys all soon again. Thank you for such a great memory.